my dad on the other phone that I'm recording Chuck Wasaloose is going up this. Subscribe to Chuck Wasaloose and me, which is 8 OP Zach. So yay, yeah. See if you can do it. It's gone somewhere. Simple challenge. I go on that. It's not working out very well. You can do it! He got up that. Even though if the bottle and that bar is down on the Jeep that we it's left it on, so yeah, the Rubicon. Rock climb. Think the ball got hit? Yeah, probably. Beep, beep. Subscribe to 8OP Zach, and which is me on the other phone, and Chuck Wasaloose, which is my dad's. Yeah. I'm not a professional vlogger. I don't edit anything. Sorry. I have bad content. Go, 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 go. Woo! Yes!